Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. Today is a Sunday and we are going to run Alpha 1 iBot for 7 minutes. Let's see how much money we can make. But before we do that, if you want to run this robot also, you can. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also make sure you use the promo code that you find below the video, give you 100% on your first deposit. Also make sure you like, subscribe, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. So let's start up this amazing robot right away.
Getting stronger every day. Keep on pushing through the pain. Keep on grinding till we die. Ain't no mercy in this life. There's nowhere left to run away. No, there's nowhere left to run away. Run away, run away, run away, getting stronger.
And just like that, $1,537 in matter of 7 minutes. So today is Sunday. That means you can do this any day of the week. So if you want to run this robot also, you find the link below the video. With that, have an amazing day.